Hey friends, if Windows is stuck in dark mode and you wish to get out of it, then please watch this video. Now the easiest thing is right click on the start button, select settings, go to the personalization tab and select the light mode theme. This should solve the problem, but if this doesn't work, then maybe the issue is with the system settings. So restart Windows Explorer, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager, and then wait for the list to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select restart. Next one is to disable auto dark mode. Now, what is auto dark mode? Auto dark mode is an app on your computer. And if you have this app, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select install apps, find this app. Let's say that I don't have this app on my system. Let us say it is this app. So right click on it. Click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it. The last one is to check contrast themes. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, select contrast themes. Now the thing with contrast themes is that they will obviously be very dark if the text is light colored. So make sure that you select it at none. This is an accessibility features is very specific to those who need the dark mode and contrast themes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.